Hi, this is Tony from Thoughts to Things, and today we're going to be making an HTV, a layered HTV shirt. We're going to be using Caesar reflective vinyl as well as regular vinyl. We should get it right the first time around this time, but who knows? This is my channel. We mess up the first time. That's what we do. Anyways, go ahead. I already know you're gonna like the video, so like it now. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I always forget to say, hit the bell for notifications so you'll know when I make new videos. You'll be the first one to get to see me mess up on the next thing, right? Until we start getting it right the first time. Anyways, as always, if you like my earrings, check these earrings out. They're so cute. Yes. And if you like my bracelet, oh, you guys, I think we made this one together. I think this is in one of my videos. But if you like this bracelet, go ahead and get it at my website, www.fromthoughtstothings.com. Or if you like this shirt, it says Straight Out of Crystal Lake with a cool Jason on there. If you like it, you can find that at my website as well. And if it isn't on there, shame on me. I need to put it on there. Well, anyway, let's get started on our layered vinyl shirt. So in Cricut Design Space, I have already uploaded the file. I found this file I want to say in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in. But it matches my son's shoes. They didn't have any shirts like this in his size. So I decided I was going to make it myself because I thought it would go cute with his shoes. So let me magnify this a little bit so you can see. I want to use Reflective HTV for the Jordan. I'm going to use white HTV for the Air, and then this teal color for the Man. So let's go ahead and send this to our Cricut. Oh, also, just so you guys know, I'm going to go backwards for a second. What I did in each group is I united them because I wanted them to be cut in the exact same spacing that they are on my template here. So for Jordan and Air, I united them so that they would cut in the exact same spacing. So let's make it. We're going to mirror this. We're going to mirror this one, and we're going to mirror this one. Okay, so now that we have it, let's hit continue. Anything that we do on as far as we using heat, so since it's heat transfer, that's why we're mirroring all of our sheets. I said sheets, all of our mats. Okay, so we're using that Caesar reflective HTV for this one. So let's find our guide. So we have a Cricut Maker, and yes, so we're going to use those settings. So let's go ahead and make it. So we're going to select heat transfer non-Cricut, and we're going to load it onto the mat. All right, let's click the next one. I'm going to change this to everyday iron on the white layer. So now I'm just gonna weed this out. And as you see, since I united the pieces, it's in the exact same spacing as it was on the Cricut screen. This is pretty easy to weed out. Simple, quick. I like it when it's simple and quick. Let's get these out. Okay, that's one down, a couple more to go. So that's that one. Sorry, I keep bumping into the camera, but that's how you can see and I can see at the same time. The camera is literally right in front of me. All right. Our next piece is, where did I put it? Here it is. So we didn't use all of this piece, and I don't believe in waste. All we use is right here. So what I'm gonna do is grab my scissors, and I'm going to just cut that out. And I have this whole piece for another project. Okay. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. I got a call that came in, and I don't know how much, if that video even got erased after that, but we're gonna continue to go, and we're gonna hope for the best. So let's go ahead and start weeding out this air. It is so hard. I'm like working around the camera. If y'all saw me, y'all would be laughing. Like, it is hilarious how awkward how awkward this is, but we make it do what it do. We make it do what it do. All right, so air, we got Jordan, and now we just got to find our man that's jumping, or jump man, or whatever it's called. I'm just making stuff up as I go along. If I knew where I put it. Uh-oh, whoops the daisies. Oh, it's right in my face. Right in my face. Can you guys see it again? Okay, so here is our jump man. And remember, hopefully you guys have been watching all of my videos, because we just had an unboxing where I got a self-healing mat that came with the Enor tumbler press. So, bam! Because what we don't believe in is waste. So we are going to find our man. There he is. His foot is there. See if I can get the camera a little. Oh, sorry about knocking on the camera. I need a little bit more light here. So we're gonna say about right. Where does the foot go? There's the foot. So we're gonna say about right here. Bam. Take our cutting tool. We're gonna cut that off. Uh-oh, this camera is in my way. If y'all only knew how I'm trying to awkwardly do this around this camera. That's why it's not cutting, because it's so awkward. Okay, I should just use the scissors. But we did not use the scissors. We used the cutting tool and the self-healing mat. And now we are going to go ahead and weave this man out. All right, we've got the man weeded out, and now we're going to go ahead and press the shirt. Okay, so I'm using a Gildan heavy cotton medium t-shirt for use. So we're always, whenever we're going to apply anything, we want to do first, we want to make sure we get the lint off of the shirt. That way our heat transfer vinyl will adhere without any issues. That's the first thing. And then the second thing we want to do is do a pre-press. So we're going to pre-press for about 5 seconds. To get the moisture out of the shirt. So now that we've done that, I layered the shirt already because I want to make sure that I line it up correctly. So I believe it should go like this, but the Reflective HTV uses the least amount of heat. I think it says 305 is the heat. So I'm gonna have to turn the heat press down for it. So I'm going to first press, and see these little pieces trying to trick me and end up on my shirt. That's not gonna happen today. So I actually should have used my ruler to make sure the measurements were good. But it should be the middle of the shirt here. That's close enough. Okay, perfect. So I want to take these parts off. I'm going to keep the air on. Then I'm going to tack it down. For about 8 seconds. Okay. And then I'm going to put the man on. Which is pretty easy because he has, see, I'm trying to get these little pieces off because they will stick to your shirt. And you're like, where is that? Where did that piece come from? It's a part of the cut that did not want to not be a part of the shirt. Okay, let me go ahead and turn this down. I know it's just 5 degrees, but I like to follow the instructions. So let that cool down 5 degrees. Okay. And then last but not least, we're gonna put our Jordan on. And I really like this Reflective HTV. I think it's really cool. Why does that feel like it's gonna be, let me check. Feels like it's gonna be crooked. Okay. Oh, let me put a piece of, we're gonna let that go for 15 seconds. And it says warm peel for this one. I don't have any patience. And personally, I don't know what anybody else does, but for me, for good measure, I always do one more press at for 7 seconds, 7-8 seconds. And there we have it. We are now done. See your shirt? Very, very, very nice. I like it. Hopefully my son likes it too. Thanks for staying to the end. Definitely thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Please like this video. Please hit the bell for notifications so you'll know when I make the next video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the shirt and how it turned out. I really liked it. My son really liked it. So, hopefully we will be making another. I think I'm going to do another sublimation video next. I already have it halfway made, so I really more than think I already know it. But hopefully you get that notification if you hit the bell. But thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.